If you're paid by the hour, there's a ceiling over your life. No matter how hard you work, you can't break it. Because time has a limit, and that limit becomes your income. And most people never escape, not because they're lazy, but because they're trapped inside a system that rewards busy and punishes ownership. Here's the brutal truth. Working more hours won't free you. It only makes the ceiling feel heavier. The real escape is shifting from selling time to building leverage, skills, assets, offers, and systems that pay you while you sleep, while you learn, while you grow. Stay until the end, because I'll show you the exact exit step by step and how to start using it today, even if you have zero money, zero followers, and zero connections. Don't leave. This might be the moment you stop trading your life for a paycheck. Let's be clear. This video is not about working harder. The bet here is simple. Either you keep trading time for money, or you learn how people escape the hourly trap forever. No hype, no theory, real structure. You might think, at least hourly pay is safe. But here's the truth most avoid. Hourly pay feels safe because it limits responsibility, not because it builds wealth. And that's where the trap tightens. Time is finite. Hours are capped. So income becomes capped too. That's the hidden rule of hourly work. Even if demand explodes, your pay can't scale. And once you see this, you can't unsee it. Listen closely. You're not underpaid because you're not valuable. You're underpaid because the model is broken. Hourly work measures presence, not impact. And wealth is created by impact, not attendance. I met someone working non-stop, fully booked by the hour. No free time, no energy, no growth. They raised rates, still stuck. Then one shift changed everything. They stopped selling hours and started selling outcomes. Income rose, stress dropped, control returned. A designer charged $50 per hour. Clients controlled the timeline. They switched to a $2,000 package with a clear result. Same skill, same effort, completely different life. The exit wasn't more work. It was a new frame. There are only 3 real exits from hourly pay. Packages, fixed price, clear result. Results-based pricing, paid for outcomes, not time. Subscriptions, retainers, recurring value, recurring income. Everything else is a variation. Listen to me for a second. If this is opening your eyes, hit like right now. Comment, "I stopped selling time," and share this with someone stuck in hourly pay. Because once you see the exit, staying trapped is a choice. Let's convert one hourly job right now. Hourly, $40 per hour times 40 hours equals $1,600 per month. Package, solve X problem in 30 days, arrows $2,500. Same work, less time, more value. That's leverage. Hourly pay is like carrying water one bucket at a time. Packages build a pipe. Results build a pump. Subscriptions build a reservoir. Wealth isn't about effort. It's about systems. Here's a simple blueprint. Pick one painful problem. Define one clear result. Set a fixed price tied to that result. Example, I help X achieve Y in Z days for $X. That sentence alone can change your income trajectory. If you're still trading hours for money, this isn't judgment. It's a wake-up call. You don't need permission to exit. You need structure. Stay on this channel. Every video is another piece of the system that turns income into freedom. The ceiling only exists if you keep standing under it.